KristinCena, welcome to my channel, and today's video is February Bellabox unboxing. For those who do not know, Bellabox is a beauty subscription box that you'll receive every month, and it costs 19.95 Australian dollars. You'll be receiving 5 beauty items, and now I'm excited to open the February box and see what's in it, though I already know what are the 2 hero products. So without making this video too long, let's open the box. So for the theme for this month is sun-kissed. The first item that we have here is this Model Co metallic eyeshadow trio. This is the not yet released as of today, as of this moment. This is a full size and retails for $18 for this small piece of shadow. The color is really dark for me because I prefer like lighter shade, but this is all right. It's really that metallic, so we're gonna apply it. I am gonna apply it on my eyes. And actually I saw in Bellabox Instagram how they did this like a sample, so I'm gonna do it like that. So this is now the final look, guys. It really is a cool tone for me and so metallic. For me, it's really so expensive for just 3 shadows, and as expected in metallic shadows, it works better with hands or with a brush that has a spray on it, like a setting spray on it. So that is good. The color really is for like going out on a dinner or at nighttime. For the next one, guys, we have Mana Kadar Blue Mascara. Here it is. It's to complete the whole look. Wow, look at that. This has a really unique packaging. Like, I've never seen mascara like this. For this month in my subscription box unboxing, I have Look Fantastic, guys, and it's another subscription box, and I received a mascara, and today I received another mascara. That's the difference now between the one coat of Mana Kadar mascara and the one without it. So far, it's really giving me a bit of length and also a little bit of volume in this one. So this claims to be a volumizing mascara, and I bet maybe on the second coat it would be better. I actually like the wand of this one. Usually when it's like volumizing mascara, for me it is like really has long, like what they call brushes in it, bristles, and this one is really short. So it really actually is so good for the lower lashes. I like it. This Blooming mascara retails for $29, which is kind of like in the middle range of most mascara prices, I think. The packaging is really great. So let's proceed to another products, guys. We have here this Pantene foam conditioner. So I have not used, I'm not a fan of Pantene. It's not that I don't like it. It's just that I use other products, especially those that are sulfate free, paraben free. This is their Repair and Protect. Okay, it's a conditioner. Whoa. Oh, okay. It smells so good. Wow. It really is a foam. It's so nice to touch it. Can't wait to try that one because I've seen that in most grocery stores here and I've never really had like the interest in buying that. We have here next one, Palmer's Coconut Sheet Mask. And if you're new in my channel, I actually have a KristinCena series where well, it's most about masks. And I have not tried this one because I'm not too sure in using coconut as an ingredient. Coconut is kind of like a not friendly ingredient for oily skin. Yep. So this is also charcoal, which is great for oily skin. And removing impurities. I can't wait to try this. So this retails for $4.19 Australian dollars. Most of the items that you buy online, I mean in the grocery, or it just costs with 99. It's always with 99. It's really like a marketing strategy. Now for the next one here, we have a sample size of this Illucent Whitening Exfoliating Cleanser. So my cleansers are really Korean products, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this. And this is whitening and exfoliating. The last one, we have a bonus. This is Puka Blackcurrant Beauty. This is, what is this? Deliciously deep purple organic roots to help you glow inside and out. This is a tea. So I actually boiled some water so we can try this. I'm a fan of tea, guys. It's a little bit sweet. That's actually good. I like it. That's all that we have for this Bellabox February. Thank you so much guys for watching. The total amount for the full size is $47, so I kind of saved $27 for this month's box. So far not too bad. See you guys in my next Bellabox unboxing. Please don't forget to subscribe if you love skincare, Korean products and all. And if you love cosmetics as well, it would mean so much to me. And also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And see you guys later this week. Bye!